guys, it's Haley Nelson from Lost Cause, and I wanted to first of all apologize for not being here at all last week. I was at the most amazing place ever called Bear Lake, and so they didn't have Wi-Fi except for a few times because one of the people visiting had brought a hotspot with them. But then I was like too busy having fun, so I'm sorry that I did not post a video, but I will right now. And I promise I'll post 2 covers this week in exchange for your guys' forgiveness. So yeah, keep commenting and subscribing, and I will try to change the name of our band soon on the YouTube name label, because right now it's just the kids of their own band. It's not what our name is, I know, but yeah, anyway. So, we want to know what you guys have been up to. Comment below anything that has excited you this past week at all. I know a lot of you guys have started school recently. I'm going to start on Tuesday next week. Yes, because Labor Day. And then we get Monday off, and then we go back on Tuesday. I'm going to high school, and I'm so scared. But yeah, so as you can see, I went school shopping, and I got this big oversized sweater as well, and I'm so happy about that. But yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys later when I do a cover, and I'm meaning to do one today, but first I have to decide on a song. So if you have any song suggestions or requests that you'd like us to do for a cover, comment them, and we shall look at that. So yeah, bye.